Here's another campaign that I did for two niches put together, the nurse niche and the Broncos. I was one of the first to do this kind of thing. It was always like this girl loves something, and I decided to try this nurse loves Broncos. And then after this, it caught on big time, and I think a few people there really cleaned up and went through all the different NFL teams and just went crazy. And looks like they made a lot of money, and I kind of got left in the dust. I was kind of slow to getting to it. I was busy doing other stuff, and I only ended up doing this campaign a few times. But this one made okay money, not crazy, but I bet you those other guys made so much more than I did. I think I made. I'll show you exactly what I made here. So this is the amount that I got paid for that campaign. Sold 112 shirts, $2,000, and I spent $1,300, and that brought in $700 profit. So let's go and take a look at all of the ads for that campaign here. I have them already up, and you can see the targeting and everything that I did here for the 4 different ads I have in this campaign. And so what I did is I targeted Colorado, United States, and then I just put all these interests I could possibly find to do with nursing. I did a CPC bid of 24 to 45 on that one. On this one I did a custom audience, which you're not really allowed to do anymore. It's just Facebook isn't allowing it with Teespring stuff, so I don't really do it for Teespring anymore. But it was 7,800 people. I think I just got it from maybe a graph scraper tool or something like that. I'm not sure what I did there, but I can't really do that anymore. And I'm not sure if that was even that successful. It doesn't look like I got that much action going on. Oh, I got 368 web clicks. That's actually really good. So maybe I did make some money from that. Here's another one. This looks like it was also another custom audience. Then another ad here, focusing on female Colorado. The age group is narrowed down a little bit more. So this is most likely the one that started making more money here. A lot of web clicks, almost 1,000. So there's definitely a lot of room here. Like this is a while ago before we had any of the new stuff that's in the ads targeting there. For example, like the behaviors and more demographics, where now you can actually search by job title. So it probably would be a lot better now if this was working. But I probably wouldn't make a shirt that says Broncos on it. I would imagine that Teespring would just take it down right away just because they're nervous about sports teams right now. But that is another shirt that did okay.